Picture this. You step off your cruise ship and you're literally standing at the crossroads of ancient civilizations. Welcome to Heraklion, Crete, where 4,000-year-old Minoan palaces meet Venetian fortresses, and where you can explore Europe's oldest city all within walking distance of your ship. But here's what most cruise passengers don't realize. While everyone's rushing to book expensive ship excursions to Knossos Palace, there's an entire world of authentic experiences right at your fingertips that cost a fraction of the price. I'm here with travel day trip ideas, and today we're unlocking the secrets of Heraklion, showing you exactly how to make the most of your port day without the crowds or the cruise ship markup. Heraklion isn't just another Greek island stop. It's your gateway to the birthplace of European civilization. As Crete's capital and largest city, this port offers something truly unique. You can literally walk from your ship into 4,000 years of history. What makes Heraklion special for cruise travelers? First, it's incredibly convenient. Your ship docks right in the heart of the city, just a 15-minute walk from the old town. Second, this is where the legendary Minoan civilization flourished, the same people who may have inspired Plato's stories of Atlantis. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the top 5 must-see attractions, give you insider tips on getting around, reveal the best local food experiences, and most importantly, show you how to save hundreds by booking local tours instead of cruise ship excursions. The cruise port. Getting your bearings. Let's start with the basics. Your ship docks at Heraklion Port, and here's the first thing you need to know. You can't walk directly from your ship into the city. Port safety regulations require you to take a free shuttle bus from your ship to the passenger terminal. Don't worry, it's literally a 5-minute ride. Once you're at the terminal, you can follow the yellow line painted on the ground that leads you straight into the city centre. It's about a 15-minute flat walk along the waterfront to reach the Venetian harbour and Old Town. If you're planning to visit Knossos Palace, there's a public bus that runs directly from near the port for just €1.60 each way. The bus is marked Knossos and runs every 20 minutes. Compare that to the €50 to €80 cruise ship excursions and you're already saving serious money. For maximum flexibility, taxis are readily available right outside the terminal, with fixed prices clearly displayed. A taxi to Knossos costs about €15, or you can hire one for a full island tour starting at €50 per hour. Top 5 must-see attractions. Number 1. Knossos Palace, Europe's oldest city. Let's start with the crown jewel, the Palace of Knossos. This isn't just any archaeological site. This is where European civilization began. Built around 1900 BC, this was the center of the mysterious Minoan civilization that dominated the Mediterranean 4,000 years ago. The palace complex includes the legendary throne room, colorful frescoes that look like they were painted yesterday, and the mythical labyrinth that supposedly housed the Minotaur. The reconstructions are controversial, but absolutely stunning. Take bus number 2 from the port area. It's the last stop, right at the palace entrance. Entry costs €15, and I recommend getting there early to avoid the crowds. Don't book the expensive cruise ship tour when the local bus gets you there for €3.20 round trip. Number 2. Koules Fortress, your Instagram shot. Right in Heraklion's harbour stands the iconic Koules Fortress, built by the Venetians in the 16th century. This massive sea fortress is literally a 10-minute walk from where your shuttle drops you off. For just €4, you can go inside and climb to the rooftop for panoramic views of the city, your cruise ship, and the Aegean Sea. It's incredibly photogenic and the perfect spot for those vacation photos. Number 3. Heraklion Archaeological Museum, Minoan treasures. The Archaeological Museum houses one of the world's finest collections of Minoan artifacts, including the famous snake goddess figurines and the mysterious Phaistos disc, with its undeciphered symbols. The museum is just a 15-minute walk from the port, and at €12 for adults, it's incredibly affordable. It brings the Knossos experience full circle. You see the artifacts in context and understand how advanced this ancient civilization really was. Number 4. Venetian Old Town, Living History. Heraklion's heart is the Venetian Old Town, where locals still live and work among 500-year-old buildings. Start at Lion Square with the beautiful Morosini Fountain and its Venetian lions. This square is surrounded by cafes and perfect for people watching. Wander down to see the Venetian Loggia, now the City Hall, and don't miss Odos 1866 Street. This is where the local market comes alive. You'll find everything from Cretan olive oil and honey to handmade soaps and local cheeses. It's authentic, affordable, and gives you a real taste of local life. Number 5. Venetian Walls and Martinengo Bastion. Here's a hidden gem most cruise passengers miss. You can actually walk on Heraklion's massive Venetian walls. These 16th century fortifications offer some of the best views in town, and it's absolutely free. The most accessible section is near the Martinengo Bastion, where you'll find the tomb of Nikos Kazantzakis, Greece's most famous writer. Walking the walls gives you a completely different perspective of the city and is a great way to escape the crowds. Food and local experiences. Cretan cuisine is distinct from mainland Greek food, and you're in for incredible flavors. You have to try dakos, barley rusks topped with tomatoes, mizithra cheese and olive oil. For something heartier, look for kalitsunia, sweet or savory pastries filled with local cheese and herbs. If you're feeling adventurous, try chochlioi bubaristi, snails pan-fried with rosemary and vinegar. They're surprisingly delicious, and you absolutely cannot leave without trying authentic Cretan olive oil. Crete produces some of the world's finest. For the best local experience, head to the market on Odos 1866 Street. The vendors are friendly, prices are reasonable, and you'll get authentic local products, not tourist souvenirs. Beaches and relaxation options. If you want to combine sightseeing with beach time, Heraklion has you covered. Ammoudara Beach is about 6 kilometers west of the port. Take bus number 6 from the central bus station. It's about a 30-minute ride. This beach has golden sand, clear water, and plenty of facilities. For something closer, there's Amnissos Beach, about 8 kilometers east. Bus number 7 will get you there, and it's less crowded. Plus, if you're an aviation enthusiast, you can watch planes landing at Heraklion Airport from the beach. Both beaches have tavernas where you can grab lunch and cold drinks, making them perfect for a half day of relaxation after your morning of sightseeing. Practical tips and money-saving advice. Let me share some insider tips that'll make your Heraklion experience smoother and more affordable. If you're planning to visit multiple sites, consider getting the €5 all-day bus pass. It covers all city buses and can save you money if you're going to Knossos and the beaches. Most shops and restaurants accept credit cards, but carry some cash for small purchases and market vendors. ATMs are readily available near the port. For shopping, the best deals are in the local market, not the tourist shops near the port. You'll find authentic Cretan products at much better prices. Don't feel pressured to book expensive cruise ship excursions. Heraklion is incredibly easy to explore independently. The sites are well marked, locals speak English, and public transportation is reliable and affordable. If you do want a guided experience, local tour operators offer the same quality tours as the cruise lines, but at much lower prices. A local Knossos tour might cost €25 to €30 per person versus €70 to €80 through the ship. Heraklion offers something truly special: the chance to walk through 4,000 years of history while enjoying authentic Greek island life, all within easy reach of your cruise ship. From the legendary Palace of Knossos to the charming Venetian Old Town, from pristine beaches to incredible local cuisine, this port delivers experiences you simply can't get anywhere else. The best part? You can do it all independently at your own pace and save hundreds compared to cruise ship excursions. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, walking Venetian walls, or relaxing on beautiful beaches, Heraklion rewards travelers who venture beyond the typical tourist path. This isn't just about seeing the sights. It's about connecting with a place where European civilization began, where every stone has a story, and where the warmth of Cretan hospitality makes every visitor feel welcome. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Heraklion, Crete. If this guide helped you plan your perfect port day, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Day Trip Ideas for more cruise port travel guides that help you explore smarter and save money. What part of Heraklion are you most excited to explore? The ancient wonders of Knossos, the charming Venetian old town, or maybe those beautiful Cretan beaches? Let me know in the comments below. And here's the best part. Check the video description below for direct links to our recommended local tours and experiences in Heraklion. These are trusted operators who understand cruise schedules and offer authentic experiences at prices that won't shock your wallet. You'll find everything from Knossos Palace tours to wine tastings and beach excursions, all bookable directly and often at half the price of cruise ship alternatives. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next port.